In the heart of Anaheim, California, stands an enigma, a place where dreams come true. Disneyland. Nestled within the Golden State's sunny landscapes, this iconic destination has been igniting the spark of fantasy for nearly 7 decades. It's the product of a visionary named Walt Disney, a man whose imagination knew no bounds. He dreamt of a place where adults and children could immerse themselves in a world of enchantment and delight. And in 1955, Disneyland opened its gates for the first time, turning that dream into reality. This is no ordinary amusement park. It's a realm where fairy tales come to life, where pirates sail the high seas, and where you can journey to the farthest reaches of space or delve deep into the jungles of Adventureland. Disneyland is more than a theme park, it's a magical kingdom, a place where imagination takes flight. Disneyland is more than a theme park, it's a magical kingdom. Our journey begins at the iconic Main Street, U.S.A. This is where the magic of Disneyland truly takes off. Main Street, U.S.A. is more than just a pathway to the castle. It's a nostalgic trip back to a simpler time, a representation of turn-of-the-century small-town America. As you stroll down the street, you'll be greeted by the delightful chug of the Disneyland Railroad. This is no ordinary train ride. It's a grand circle tour around the Disneyland park, offering glimpses of the many enchanting lands you'll soon be exploring. And who could forget the Main Street Cinema? This charming little theater serves as a time capsule, showcasing classic Disney shorts in black and white. It's a testament to Walt Disney's vision, reminding us of the humble beginnings of what has now become a global phenomenon. Main Street, U.S.A. is the perfect introduction to the magic that lies ahead. So let's take a deep breath and step into the fairy tale. We have a whole lot of magic to uncover. From the charming simplicity of Main Street, we venture into the wilds of Adventureland and the vibrancy of New Orleans Square. As we leave the quaint charm of Main Street, a sense of adventure beckons us. Adventureland, an exotic world inspired by Africa, Asia, South America, and South Pacific Islands, unfolds before us. Here, the thrill of exploration and discovery fuels our journey. We find ourselves boarding the famed Jungle Cruise, a whimsical river journey filled with animatronic animals and cheeky skippers. It's a wild ride, full of surprises around every bend. Next, we're lured by the exotic melodies of the enchanted tiki room. As we step inside, we're greeted by over 200 singing birds, flowers, and tikis. With each song, we're transported deeper into a tropical paradise, leaving the outside world far behind. From the tropical allure of Adventureland, we transition into the heart of the American South, New Orleans Square. This land is steeped in jazz music, Creole culture, and a certain mysterious charm. Here, 2 of Disneyland's most iconic attractions reside: the Haunted Mansion and Pirates of the Caribbean. The Haunted Mansion, a grand southern plantation house, is an unmissable sight. As we step inside, we're greeted by 999 happy haunts. But fear not, there's always room for one more. This eerie yet delightful journey is one that leaves us with chills and chuckles in equal measure. Just a stone's throw away, the Call of the Sea takes us to Pirates of the Caribbean. On this swashbuckling journey, we join a band of merry pirates on their high seas adventures. From ghostly grottos to a bustling pirate town, it's a voyage filled with fun, frights, and fantastic storytelling. These lands whisk us away on thrilling adventures and spine-chilling encounters. From the depths of the jungle to the heart of New Orleans, Adventureland and New Orleans Square offer a unique blend of excitement, enchantment, and a dash of the extraordinary. From the intrigue of New Orleans Square, we embark on a journey to the rustic Critter Country and Frontierland. As we venture into the heart of Critter Country, we're greeted by the exuberant, jovial atmosphere that makes this land so unique. Here, we find attractions that are as charming as they are thrilling. Take, for example, Splash Mountain, a log flume ride that takes us through a vibrant world inspired by the southern United States, filled with singing critters, and culminating in a heart-stopping 52-foot drop. But it's not all heart-stopping drops here. Critter Country is also home to the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh, a gentle journey through the 100-acre woods. This whimsical ride is a captivating experience, bringing to life the beloved stories of A.A. Milne and inviting us to join Pooh and his friends on a delightful honey hunt. As we wave goodbye to Critter Country, we find ourselves stepping into the rugged terrain of Frontierland. This land is a tribute to the pioneering spirit and the wild, untamed beauty of the American frontier. Here we come face to face with the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. This roller coaster, set against a desert landscape, takes us on a swift journey through an abandoned gold mine, offering both thrills and stunning vistas. And then, there's the Mark Twain Riverboat, a grand, stern-wheeler steamboat that offers a peaceful voyage along the rivers of America. This leisurely journey provides a panoramic view of Frontierland, showcasing its stunning wilderness and rustic charm. Frontierland and Critter Country together offer a delightful blend of thrill, charm, and nostalgia. Whether you're plummeting down a log flume or chugging along on a steamboat, these lands offer unique adventures that immerse us in their distinctive narratives. These lands transport us back in time to the era of pioneers and Wild West adventures. Leaving the Wild West behind, we immerse ourselves in the enchanting world of Fantasyland and the futuristic realm of Tomorrowland. First, let's step into Fantasyland, where fairy tales come to life. Dominating the skyline is the iconic Sleeping Beauty Castle, a symbol of magic and wonder. It's here that the enchantment begins, where you can walk through the castle and relive Sleeping Beauty's story in vivid displays. Just around the corner, you'll find Peter Pan's Flight. This beloved attraction takes you on a magical journey over the moonlit city of London and onto Neverland, flying alongside Peter Pan and Tinker Bell. It's a timeless adventure that captures the heart of Disney's storytelling magic. Fantasyland isn't just about the classics, though. It's also home to the Mad Tea Party, a spinning teacup ride that's as whimsical as it is fun, inspired by Disney's Alice in Wonderland. And let's not forget the charming It's a Small World boat ride, a testament to international unity and friendship, where hundreds of singing, dancing dolls from around the globe celebrate the spirit of togetherness. Now let's leap forward in time and space to Tomorrowland. Here the future is today, and the possibilities are endless. The star of Tomorrowland, without a doubt, is Space Mountain. This thrilling, high-speed roller coaster rockets you through the dark, star-studded universe, providing a rush of adrenaline unlike any other. Next to Space Mountain is Star Tours The Adventures Continue, an immersive 3D ride that takes you on an unpredictable journey through the Star Wars galaxy. With multiple storylines and destinations, no two rides are the same, making it a must-see for any Star Wars fan. From fairy tales to space adventures, these lands truly embody the spirit of Disneyland, to dream, explore, and imagine. Our journey through Disneyland draws to a close, but the magic continues to live on. We've strolled down the charming Main Street, U.S.A., basked in the enchanting ambiance of Adventureland and New Orleans Square, and reveled in the rustic charm of Critter Country and Frontierland. We've been dazzled by the whimsy of Fantasyland and marveled at the futuristic allure of Tomorrowland. Each corner of Disneyland offers an escape into a different world, a different era. Every visit here is not just a trip, but a grand adventure, a voyage into the depths of our imagination. Each ride, each attraction, every performance, they all weave together to create an experience that's truly magical, an experience that's uniquely Disneyland. As we wrap up our journey, we're reminded of the spirit of Disneyland, the spirit of continuous growth and limitless imagination. In the words of Walt Disney himself, Disneyland will never be completed. It will continue to grow as long as there is imagination left in the world.